In this example, some basic aspects of the scientific method are applied to the testing of the hypothesis that the diversity of birds will decrease in a wetland after the application of a chemical which kills mosquitoes. So a study is designed by a student in which they will count birds, both the number of individuals and the number of species at a specific time of sampling, and they will use a specific type of sampling and observation at each time of study. They pick two wetlands in the same area and measure them both in the first week of June at about the same time of day. A week later, one of these two wetlands is treated with chemicals which kill mosquitoes, and then both wetlands are studied a second time using the same techniques. Later in the summer, the same wetland which received the chemical treatment the first time is scheduled to undergo a second chemical treatment, and this experimental procedure is repeated. In this example, the application of the pesticide is the independent variable. It is not affected by birds or any of the other aspects of this study. The diversity of birds is the dependent variable. It might change dependent on the first independent variable. So whether or not the chemical was applied, this may affect the diversity of birds. Note that there is an attempt to control for other variables, and so by making sure the wetlands are in the same geographic region, they are sampled at the same time of day, at the same time of year, hopefully the only difference between them is the independent variable. And to increase the strength of the statistics which might be used, then these same procedures can be repeated and the results of multiple repetitions can then be combined. So this is just an application of some of the basic features typical in many scientific studies.